Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound wrinkles on your REALME GT8 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume during a call using side buttons on the right side right here. As you guys can see, you can just change it like that, but you need to be on a call because whenever you go into the settings and then go to sound and vibration, you won't have an option to change it in the volume section. So it's only available to change if you are in an active call. And what you guys can do next is make sure that your Bluetooth is turned off right here. So now, if it's enabled and the switch is blue, then I recommend you guys disabling it. It can fix the connections. So basically, whenever you are connected to a car, earbuds, or anything else, then you rule out those devices and the sound will definitely be in your phone. So after disabling the Bluetooth, what you guys can do is clean the earpiece. Right up here, you see the line with a soft brush. You guys can also use the ear compressor, but it's way worse than a soft brush, so I recommend using a soft brush for this one. Now, what you guys can do after cleaning the earpiece, you can test another call. So you can use the phone app if you did use it. And then if you used the phone app, you guys can try another app. So for example, WhatsApp Messenger, Instagram, practically anything that has a call support. So what you guys can do next is hold the power button to restart the phone and refresh the system. So swipe up to restart, let go with your finger, and now the phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second after the phone restarts. After the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is check for software updates. So if you do not have the latest version of your software, then it can cause some bugs, and one of the bugs can be no sound during a call. So go to System and Update, go to Software Update right up top, and it will check for updates automatically, but you need to be connected to the Wi-Fi. So my version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest softwares. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.